Swastika Panda from OdishaTV.in bringing you today's news from Odisha. First the headlines. 7 months after assuming charge, State Congress Chief Prashad Harichandan finally declares names of office bearers of OPCC. Team includes 10 vice presidents and 25 general secretaries. Premier Institute for Basic Sciences IISER to come up in Berhampur. Classes will be started from 2016-17. State government will provide 200 acres land free of cost for the campus. Onion brings tears to consumers again. Price of the vegetables skyrocketed to ₹40 a kilo in past 10 days. Government says keeping close watch on movement of onion prices. Under automatic fare revision mechanism, bus fares slashed by 2 to 4 paise per kilometer across state for third time after reduction of diesel price. And inflow of rainwater from West Bengal causes marooning of 10 villages in Balasore district, even though flood situation in state improves significantly. Now the details. After stoking speculations for quite a long time, State Congress President Prashad Harichandan has finally announced the names of the office bearers of Odisha Pradesh Congress Committee 7 months after assuming charge. In the new team of Harichandan, there are 10 vice presidents, 25 general secretaries, 37 organizational secretaries, 55 secretaries, 23 specially invited members, 23 coordination committee members, and 1 treasurer. For the first time, the party will have 5 political secretaries. Also, a 7-member disciplinary committee has been constituted with senior tribal leader Damrodhar Ullaka as its chairman. Notably, the new list of office bearers comprises 80% new faces and more emphasis has been laid on youth leadership. As many as 77 members in the list are below 40 years of age. All the elected members of the Grand Old Party, which included 1 MP and 16 MLAs, have been instated as members of the team. Moreover, 42 former legislators have also found a place in the Executive Committee of State Congress. Vijay Lakshmi Sahu, Pradeep Majhi, Ranjeev Biswal, Sucharita Mahanti, Suresh Chandra Mahapatra, Yudhishthir Jaina, Sandhya Mahapatra, Sadan Nayak, Narayan Das and Rabindra Sethi have been appointed as the vice presidents of the party's state unit. Similarly, Yogesh Singh, Debashish Patnaik, Bibhuta Rai, Bhimsen Chaudhary, Hamid Hussain, Sulochana Das, Sangram Jaina and Shyam Sundar Hasda, among others, have been named as general secretaries in Harichandan's gigantic team of about 175 members. The state government will set up the proposed Indian Institute of Science Education and Research IISER at Berhampur in Ganjam district. Sanjay Das Verma, the Employment and Technical Education and Training Minister, said yesterday. Das Verma said classes at the Premier Central Funded Institute for Basic Sciences would start from 2016-17 academic year. The government would provide 200 acres of government land free of cost near Berhampur city to set up IISER while it is looking for temporary campus in the city. The minister said a high-level committee has been constituted under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary G.C. Patti to expedite setting up the institute. In his budget speech this year, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley had announced to establish an IISER in Odisha besides one in Nagaland. Leaders across all the parties welcomed the decision of the government to set up the Premier Institute at Berhampur. Former Union Minister and senior Congress leader Chandrasekhar Sahu said the party leaders are happy with this institute. BJD MLA from Berhampur Ramesh Chandra Chhau Patnaik also welcomed the government's decision. Presently, there are 5 IISERs run by the Ministry of Human Resource Development. They are located in Bhopal, Mohali, Pune, Kolkata and Tiruvananthapuram.
भारतीय विज्ञान शिक्षा और गवेषणा प्रतिष्ठान आइजर दक्षिण ओडिशार प्राणकेन्द्र बरहमपुर गंजाम रे प्रतिष्ठा करिवा पई निष्पत्ति नैछन्ति। एही प्रतिष्ठान निमंते 200 एकर सरकारी जमी मागना रे जोगाई देवाकू माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्रीयुत नवीन पटनायक निष्पत्ति नैछन्ति।
Onion price inflation has become a more seasonal affair than cultivation of the crop itself in Odisha. With prices of the vegetables skyrocketing to ₹40 a kilo in the past 10 days, it's back to hit the budget of the consumers. Not only onion, but inflation in prices of a few more vegetables is also giving consumers a scare. Notably, onion prices have shot up considerably over the past 10 days. In the wholesale market, the kitchen essential is being traded at rupees 32 to 38 a kilo, while in retail market, consumers have to cough up rupees 40 to 45 a kilo. According to traders, there has been a decline in the onion supply from Nashik in Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, the two major suppliers of the vegetable to Odisha. Sources said rainfall has affected onion crop in Nashik and it will take another 10 to 15 days for fresh supply of onions to enter the market. Meanwhile, the government is keeping a close watch on the movement of onion prices. Food Supply and Consumer Welfare Minister Sanjay Das Verma said that he had meetings with the departmental secretary and senior officials to take stock of the situation.
पियाज टा बर्तन 120 टंका 3 किलो माने भाड़ा धरतो 40 टंका ना बर्तन एठी रेट किंतु जेतेबेले पळै जाउची रिटेल काउंटर को से हे जाउची 50 टंका केजी हे जाउची 50 टंका ओने एटा बहुत बादुची ए वर्ष जेतेबेले आमदानी टाइम रे बहुत नष्ट हो जाई वर्षा रे तापरे वर्तमान जो साउथ रो बाहर जीपीएस टा सेटा अबिका ठीक रे बाहरी पार नहीं सेठी वर्षा नहीं ओडिसा रे वर्तमान हमर एठी नुवाटा आसिले सफिशिएंट ओडिसा रे टिके कमिबो रेट.
The demise of the party MP Kalpataru Das has left an empty seat to be filled by BJD in Rajya Sabha. Though no lobbying for the vacant seat has begun as yet, grapevine has it that Party Supremo Navin Patnaik may choose a candidate keeping socio-economic, regional and seniority factors in mind. Also in view of the fact that the upper house lacks representation from the scheduled caste or Dalit community of Odisha, speculations are rife that a leader representing the aforementioned group might be chosen to replace Das. Currently, there are 6 members of BJD in Rajya Sabha. Of them, Ananga Uday Singh Deo, Bhupinder Singh represent Western Odisha. In view of the amount of representation from Western Odisha, chances of any leaders from the region finding a place in Rajya Sabha look slim. Similarly, Dilip Tirki and Sarojini Hembram represent the scheduled tribe community. Hence, any other tribal leader in the party has very little reason to make it to Rajya Sabha. Keeping in mind, Singh Deo already represents a royal family, leaders with such blue blood pedigree also might not make the cut this time. However, noticeably scheduled castes in the state lack representation in the upper house, and if one were to speculate logically, then a Kalpataru replacement in Rajya Sabha should be ideally a leader representing the SCs and Dalits and preferably from coastal Odisha. The bus fare across the state was yesterday reduced by 2 to 4 paise per kilometre under automatic fare revision mechanism after reduction of fuel price on Friday night. As the diesel price is reduced by Rs 3.60 per litre, the fare for ordinary and express buses has been reduced by 2 paise per kilometre and that of deluxe and AC deluxe buses by 4 paise per kilometre. Fare of ordinary buses has been slashed from 58 paise to 56 paise per kilometre, while express buses from 61 paise to 59 paise, deluxe buses from 80 paise to 76 paise, and AC deluxe buses from Rs 1.01 to 97 paise per kilometre. The bus fares were reduced for the third time after implementation of the mechanism by Odisha government in June this year. The state government had implemented the automatic fare revision mechanism on June 4th, under which the fare of passenger buses will be decided automatically as soon as the price of the fuel rises or falls. As per the mechanism, fare for ordinary and express buses would be hiked by 1 paise per kilometre if the price of diesel is hiked by Rs 2 per litre. The fare of ordinary and express buses will be reduced by 1 paise per kilometre if the diesel price is reduced by Rs 2 per litre. Similarly, fare for deluxe and AC deluxe buses would be hiked by 2 paise per kilometre if the price of diesel is increased by Rs 2 per litre. The fare for deluxe and AC deluxe buses would be reduced by 2 paise per kilometre if the price of diesel is reduced by Rs 2 per litre. Under the Comprehensive Development Plan, the state government is planning to construct 5,600 houses for the economically backward people. In a high-level meeting chaired by the Chief Secretary Gokul Chandrapati, the proposal for the same was approved by the government yesterday. Similarly, a land bank worth Rs 6 to 4,000 acre government land will be created in Bhubaneswar. Land will be allocated for the development of commercial, healthcare and educational institutions from this land bank. After the meeting, BDA Vice Chairman Krishnan Kumar said the guidelines based on which land will be allocated for various purposes is also likely to get government approval by September. Moreover, Kumar also said that from now onwards, e-auction will be conducted for BDA plots only. After 3 Maoists, including 2 women cadres, were killed in an encounter on the Odisha-Chhattisgarh border yesterday, police have intensified search operation in the nearby areas. S. Saini, the Southwestern Range IG, informed media. Notably, the encounter happened inside Tandiki jungle, 25 km from Malkangiri, after a police team led by Malkangiri SP rushed to the spot following intelligence inputs. Around 30 Maoist cadres congregated at the place under the leadership of Meena, one of the Red Rebel leaders. A gun battle ensued between police and Maoists, in which the 3 were killed. However, police sources said several sophisticated weapons were recovered from the dead Maoist. 1 INSAS rifle and 1 self-loading rifle were seized from the spot.
हमारा विविध जगह रे ऑपरेशंस सोर रे चलीची और काली जो 3 जना मरी जाइछंती सेतिरु गोटे एरिया कमिटी मेंबर और 2टा कार्डर बोली जाना पड़ुची फर्दर कंफर्मेशन पाई हम अभी के करूछु और जो जियो माने ग्रुप भितर रही जाउछंती हमरा जति की खबर अछि से माने फेरी आसीबा पाई चाहुछंती और से मानन को जबरदस्ती रखा जाउची।
हां थोड़ा थोड़ा सुने लेकिन
डर लग रहा था क्या?
डर लग रहा था माने वो आसपास वाले तो सुने भी होंगे लेकिन कहां भी जाएंगे।
सबको डर लगता है।
डर लगता है।
Sri Mandir's Chief Administrator Suresh Mahapatra said that action will be taken against the errant Daitapatis who are responsible for divulging the secret rituals of the Holy Trinity's Nabakalibar. Further, he said that decision to suspend the servitors who were the reason behind the delay in Brahma Parivartan was a difficult one, but at the same time it was one of the turning points of the Nabakalibar Ratha Yatra. Mahapatra appreciated the cooperation of the Daitapati Nijog and said that further action will be taken against those who disclose the secret rituals in the public, as it is clear violation of the provisions of the record of rights of Sri Mandir.
डेफिनेटली सेटा गोटे बहुत डिफिकल्ट निष्पत्ति थिला एवं से एक्शन जदि आम टाइमली न नवा कारण जेकोसी जगह प्रॉब्लम है इमिडिएटली एक्शन न नेले तार विशेष किसी माने नहीं एवं एक्शन नेला परे ही मु भावुची प्राय 90% प्रॉब्लम आमर सॉर्ट आउट है और सब स्ट्रीमलाइन होगा फॉर्चुनेटली दैतापति निजोग अन्य समस्ते लगी पड़ी काम कले कहीं ताकू ओपनली सपोर्ट कलेनी मुझे भावुँ आम जहाँ डिसीजन नहीं से गोटे टर्निंग पॉइंट थिला नवकलेवर रथ यात्रा
कह रथयात्रा सरला नवकलेवर सरला आउ किसी एक्शन नि पारे कि फ्यूचर में
बर्तमान तो इनक्वारी चली तेणु इनक्वारी बेसिस रे जहाँ जहाँ एगेन्स्ट एविडेंस बाहर मेनली 2टा ग्राउंड रे एक्शन नि जाई परिबो गोटे होची जो माने गुप्त कथा सब बाहर प्रकट करछंती सेमती अनेक सेवायत अच्छे जो मैंने बाहर मीडिया रे एवं बाहर अनेक मिछ सत सब विभिन्न जिनस सब कही भितर कौन घटला सब से गोटे मेजर लैप्स कारण आमर भितर जो नीति सब हुए नवकल समय से सब गुप्त नीति और बाहर प्रकाश योग्य नुहे बोली आर लिखाई तेणु से गोटे मेजर भायोलेसन सेकेंड हूँ जो डिले है ब्रह्म परिवर्तन हो बा विग्रह निर्माण रे हो तापाई किए दायी।
The Chief Minister Navin Patnaik has directed all the collectors and SPs to prepare an error-free list of beneficiaries to be covered under the National Food Security Act within a month. In Khurda district, challenges remain for the district administration to meet the deadline. While the Chief Minister had directed to make the entire process digitized and install closed-circuit televisions in all godowns, there is not even a single godown in Khurda district that has come under the watch of CCTVs. Subhalakshmi Behera, Procurement Officer at Rice Receiving Center of Khurda district, said stocks are being received as per the prior rules and regulations. She added once the Food Security Act comes into force, the centre will install CCTVs. According to reports, godowns at Begunia, Jottani, Bologada, Tangi, Balugaon and Mancheshwar in the district are yet to come under CCTV surveillance.
पूर्व व्यवस्था अनुଯାयी स्टॉक रिसीवेशन चलछि सीसीटीवी की सेमती किछि सिस्टम ए पर्यंत इंप्लीमेंट हेनी जेबे आज्ञा लागू होबो सेबे चलिबो।
Chief Minister Navin Patnaik yesterday left for New Delhi on a 4-day visit with an aim to discuss the state's financial scenario with Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley. Before complaining, Patnaik told media persons here, "On this trip to Delhi, I will be meeting Union Finance Minister Arun Jaitley on the matters related to state's finances. The Chief Minister is scheduled to return on August 4th. According to sources, Patnaik's tour bears significance as there is a gaping hole between the assumptions, assertions and perceptions of the BJP-led central government and the BJD-led state government over who would be the real beneficiary of 14th Finance Commission. Though the centre claims that the state share of revenue would increase in the coming years as per the Finance Commission, a detailed analysis done by the Odisha government shows that the state will actually lose around Rs 4,600 crore during the 5 years 2015 and 20.
On this trip to Delhi, I will be meeting the Union Finance Minister, Shri Arun Jaitley, on matters relating to Odisha's finances.
2 were arrested and 83 sambar antlers seized from a vehicle in which they were travelling by police on Dunguri Ambana Road in Bargarh yesterday. The arrested persons are Manohar Seth of Nuapada village and Subal Seth of Lelehar village. Speaking to media, Bargarh SP Ashish Singh said that the antlers were being smuggled for sale. Meanwhile, Hirakud Wildlife Division DFO Sudeep Naik said 81 out of 83 antlers seized had got detached from the sambar naturally. Earlier on July 12th, the district police had seized 21 sambar antlers and arrested 4 persons while the antlers were being transported to Bargarh from Debrigarh Wildlife Sanctuary. 4 more arrested the next day by Forest Department officials on similar charges. Though the flood situation in the state has improved significantly, the inflow of rainwater from the neighbouring West Bengal has caused marooning of 10 more villages in the bordering Balasore district, even as the toll in the current spell of flood is 5. Special Relief Commissioner GVV Sharma said that all the major rivers in the state are flowing below the danger level. However, inflow of rainwater from West Bengal, where heavy rainfall occurred under the effect of cyclonic system Common, has caused marooning of some more villages in Balasore district. As per reports received from the collectors of the 5 concerned districts, the SRC said about 4.79 lakh people of 597 villages under 15 blocks and 1 urban local body in 5 districts, namely Mayurbhanj, Keonjhar, Jajpur, Bhadrak and Balasore have been affected by the current spell of flood. Replying to a question, the SRC said so far 5 persons have died in the current spell of floods in the state. The death cases came from Balasore are 2, while 1 each is from Mayurbhanj, Jajpur and Keonjhar. While 4 persons died of drowning, 1 succumbed to snake bite during the floods. Sharma said while the number of villages marooned in recent floods in Balasore district was 10 till Friday, it increased to 20. Preliminary estimates indicate that dwelling houses of about 664 families have been affected in the Jajpur district, the SRC said, adding that assessment of damage to private houses in other districts is under assessment. As per report of the Engineer-in-Chief of Rural Water Supply and Sanitation, 2,937 tube wells and 1 pipe water supply system have been affected due to flood.
समस्तंकर तो डंगा नहीं तेणु जे गोटे गोटे लोकंकर अछि सेमानकु केते डाकिले केते कहिले सेमाने आसिकी सब जो पार करूचंती आ बहुत पानी पीते नौका बाइकी जाइते डंगा बाइकी
जल आस्ते आस्ते बन्या जल आस्ते आस्ते कमिबा आरंभ करछि बहुत जगह कमी गलानी किंतु किछि एरिया वाटर लग रही सेटा धीरे धीरे कमिबो बोली मु आशा करू.
Before wrapping up the headlines once again, 7 months after assuming charge, State Congress Chief Prashad Harichandan finally declares names of office bearers of OPCC. Team includes 10 vice presidents and 25 general secretaries. Premier Institute for Basic Sciences IISER to come up in Berhampur. Classes will be started from 2016-17. State government will provide 200 acres land free of cost for the campus. Onion brings tears to consumers again. Price of the vegetables skyrocketed to ₹40 a kilo in past 10 days. Government says keeping close watch on movement of onion prices. Under automatic fare revision mechanism, bus fares slashed by 2 to 4 paise per kilometer across state for third time after reduction of diesel price. And inflow of rainwater from West Bengal causes marooning of 10 villages in Balasore district, even though flood situation in state improves significantly. Thank you for watching. Good night.